In the lush expanses of the Amazon rainforest, a young Maria found her inspiration amidst the vibrant flora and fauna. Intrigued by nature's efficiency, she dreamed of integrating these principles into sustainable living products. Fast forward a decade, Maria embarked on her entrepreneurial path, facing skepticism but armed with determination. Her breakthrough came with the creation of biodegradable packaging, an innovation that caught the eye of eco-conscious brands globally. Through persistence, she met challenges head-on, fostering collaborations that solidified her enterprise. Maria's story underscores the power of unwavering belief in one's vision, reminding budding entrepreneurs to draw inspiration from their passions and persist despite obstacles, turning dreams into impactful realities.